Yo, what's up everybody? I hope you have a great day, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be bringing you a vlog from the Superdrive event here out in Sacramento. Stay tuned. There's a lot of cool supercars, wide-bodied M3s, just a whole bunch of everything. And overall, it's a good cars and coffee in the morning. So I'm gonna get into the vlog from a couple days ago, and alright guys, we're out here at the Superdrive meet. It's gonna be a jam-packed video, so if you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna show you guys around at this car meet. Hey, should I record? I was kidding. Yeah, if you want. Fuck it.
Where's all the engine cars? They ain't welcome here. They're too dangerous. Can't be fucking around.
They're at the sideshow.
So that's the one. That's for you right there.
Corolla?
That's the new. No.
M3?
Yeah.
That shit's
N3. You said you want the N3?
Hey, D'Angelo, don't get clapped, bro. Luis, don't get clapped. Where's your Skyline at, bro?
Hey, I still don't see the 2000 GT.
Hey, watch that red one be here from last time. That I sent you pictures of.
My Colonel had one.
What?
The person was in charge of the squad. They say some takes.
Yeah. They are expensive. The one I seen was like 104,000. It had high, like super high mileage.
The one that I saw on Autolist, like. The bad thing about it is everything's back here.
Yeah? You think my shit's low? This shit's low, dude. Oh. Hey, if I didn't get a BMW, it'd be a GTR, bro. You could have. Luis had an opportunity to get a clean M3 and he didn't. Could have been you, bro. Could have been fast.
That was before.
Could have been a fast. I could have took care of it for you. Comes back. You have a turbo kit in there.
That's probably the only reason they gave me the loan for the BMW.
Because you're in the Air Force. Oh, Luis played the Air Force card.
There you go. Did they give you a discount? Oh. Hell no.
I don't like it. Yeah, but he tried to cheap out. No, he was buying like eBay coilovers.
He was low too, though.
It's probably lower than that.
Yeah. Oh, dude, these are nearby.
Damn, Luis.
That's big ball.
I need one of these. 100K.
What?
That.
Oh, leave this bulldog in there,
D'Angelo said you didn't let him bring his car. You just picked him up.
Oh, he could have fucking brought his car.
Nah, you're lying,
I
dude.
just thought he wanted to.
The BMW logo. I like that. That's nice.
He does the caps like you.
Oh, Luis, this is how I'm trying to pull it. There's hella cars. You don't want to tell him?
He doesn't have to know about that.
Okay, we won't tell him that. No, oh, I like this. Hey, yo.
I've seen that car.
Who's shit gonna be out? Pop-up lights. That's wild.
Like a second grade reading level.
Don't you have to have some education in the Air Force?
No.
Yeah, that's crazy. Let's go look at
commitment.
Dude, he's on TEs too, bro. Woo!
Jesus Christ.
No, this is it. That's the one.
One and three. There you go. There's two choices. Or the new one.
Hey.
Oh, see, he has one like M4s too.
No. Hey, you're gonna say that after like 3 tickets. You're gonna be like, oh, hell no.
No, he's at
65. Huh? No. Luis is
You
gonna.
just gotta make them seem like they're almighty and bow down.
Luis is gonna suck them off.
It's gonna be like, alright.
You're gonna suck them off? Wow.
Both hands.
I didn't see you as one of
Both
those.
hands.
I didn't see you as one of those.
Doesn't use a sweet too. Yo!
Oh.
I'll leave my toes to that point.
He's gonna drink some juice and then go deep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it was a fun little car, bro. It's just small. Just hella small.
Sound nice too, but I mean, of course, I don't have everything made.
That shit was already modified. Trying to tell us it's stock. I know damn well it's stock, bro. Wow.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, damn.
That's wild.
Fucked up. What about the M2?
Huh?
What about the M2?
Of course, bro, but that's dangerous.
It's a little go-kart, bro. Look at it. It's cute.
It looks like nice and simple, but I know what it can do.
No,
That's the scary part.
Those are capable of like 6.
I know.
Well,
You see the city under the hood?
yep. Louis. Uncle said he might pull up.
Uncle's already late.
I know, dude.
It's over in like 3 minutes.
Look, shitting on Uncle. Look. It's a ghost party.
2 colors?
Pink with blue. I don't know how I feel about that. Fight his ass. He's like, oh, hell no. There's too many brown people. Whoa. Luis, go do this.
No.
That's hard. What do you mean? That's cool. Bro, Luis doesn't want to be. Dude, look at that widebody Superdrive. That's crazy.
Gosh, the G-Wagon showed up, bro.
Hey, yo, the one that was. Oh, dang. PBS it? Hey, yo. What?
That's what it's too far.
It's too far?
Yeah, go on.
Oh. There you go.
Yeah, I kind of like turned on 33.
SS?
Juju? Juju's gonna get one of those.
He's like in the middle of getting a. He's like wants a Beamer, but at the same time he wants a Camaro.
He likes noise. So he's probably gonna put like 2 12s or 2.
D'Angelo, but your car's quiet. Luis told me.
Yeah, this car's quiet?
Is it?
No.
Hey, Luis, we gotta get fitment like this, bro. It's crazy. Shitting on that or what?
No.
Oh, yeah. That way? Damn, what the fuck? I didn't think this shit was this full, bro. They got Applebee's food. Yeah, that's crazy.
Space over there, though?
It's probably full over there too now. Everything's closed. It's still like, bro, it's still like 9 o'clock, right? 10? Bro, this meet's gonna last all fucking day, watch. You're just gonna keep getting more cars, bro. Oh. You don't like this? Yeah, for sure. Red seats. It has the carbon bucket.
This is in D'Angelo's budget.
Hey, Hey, that's the carbon buckets too.
You get the white one?
Hell yeah.
I mean, if I could afford one, I would. I'm kidding. That's your budget.
Hey, it's okay, D'Angelo. We'll get there. Me and you.
Yeah.
Oh, that means the middle's open.
Sorry, yeah, so only you can get into this group.
D'Angelo, you're gonna be
Me and
like
Josh
him,
were kicked
bro.
out.
Get it. Ooh. Damn, she's shading on you, D'Angelo.
I don't got no model.
Hell yeah. Bro, because if I get an M3, I'm gonna keep that shit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh dang, he got the gap cam, look. The Pacific.
What do you think that means?
It's fast forward. Oh, whoa. Oh. Shit. Why sound like that? Oh. Hey, D'Angelo, my family car right here. Hell yeah.
Mine's in the back, the white one.
Whoa. Hey, yo. Oh, get out of here, bro. This guy's gonna ruin my shot, bro. That's cute. That's cute. God damn it, bro.
I didn't know Daddy Yankee was pulling up, bro.
If you stay to the end, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We post vlogs, car meets, DIYs on my F30 back here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.